Mustang rebuilder here. Hey, I showed you yesterday was Saturday how we took old Big Booty Judy out, knocked out a bunch of smaller jobs. We got home earlier than normal. You know, Saturdays, like I told you, whatever I do is my money for tools. But she's had a problem, and let me tell you, I had a little hydraulic leak. I'm not sure exactly where it is, you know, and I had to put shop towels in here because it started out as a one drip. By the fourth or fifth job, it's a little more, and I'm not sure exactly where she's coming from, but I don't like working on dirty crap. So it's Sunday morning while everybody else is sleeping. I'm gonna take this stuff out. I'm gonna power wash it, wash the machine off. That way I can find out where the leak is. My brother's gonna come over to the shop, help me out. Anyway, you know, it's a hard business. Summertime, it gets really hot. Hydraulic fluid gets there too when it gets hot. So, you know, I don't like, look at this. At the very end, I was dripping some on the trailer and getting it on actually the curb going into the house. I don't like doing that. So I'm going to try to fix that today. If not, I'll work on the smaller machine. Small machine had a little problem. I hit something on the ground. I think it was a water meter grate. Broke a couple of bolts on the wheel. So either one of them's running for tomorrow morning, okay? And I've got also the factory, I ordered a new deal, these suspension here, teeter-totters. A bolt came out, and it's very common on these, and they sent me a kit to rebuild it. Instead of metal shims, using polyurethane. I might make a video on that, I might not. Anyway, hey, stay safe, and I'm going to add something to this before I end. You know, I always do a giveaway now, so I'll have some questions here in just a little while from a movie. Whoever answers it, I've got new stickers that came in on that, you know, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead. I had some stickers made, and anybody in the world's available to enter this contest, okay? So the rules will be on the YouTube description of the video. It's going to be about a movie, and I'll give you all that stuff there after I car wash this. Hey, Mustang rebuilder here. Yeah, it's Sunday. In the last video, I ended it off at the car wash, washing off all the hydraulic fluid. I told you I had a leak, I couldn't find it, and I'll end up calling my brother this morning, and since he wears bifocals and has a little bit better eyesight than I do, and he's also a freaking awesome mechanic. Actually, he's anal mechanic, to where it's got to be fixed right. He doesn't like to fix anything, like my father used to say, half-ass, okay? So, it's a pleasure working with him. I wish everyone had a brother like I do, okay? This is a short video. I'm going to simply tell you this. Anyone can do these repairs, okay? There's your hydraulic levers. There's your hydraulic box, diverter box, to where everything comes through. All right, and I told you in a past video, okay, that these ports here, they have O-rings behind them, right? And they get hard, and it's almost like a dry rot, but what is from the heat of the hydraulic fluid running through it, okay? And after a while, they get really rock hard and they start leaking. All right, so this is an easy repair for someone. All right, we use 2 sets of eyeballs, and I'm going to show you. We repaired all this today with Harbor Freight tools, okay? Some of you are going to curse me out, oh, using Chinese shit or whatever. I don't care, all right? This is just makes so the average Joe doesn't have to spend a ton of money and get up and running again, okay? We use their flashlight, which you get free, you know, you get the coupon. And then the O-rings, they're nitro O-rings, okay, 225 pieces. I don't know how much exactly this is, $5 or, you know, under $8, okay? And if you open this up, let's see if I can open it up with one hand. There you go. On the back side of it has a chart, okay? You get 10, basically of the big ones, you get 10 of each, and you get more of the other ones, 15, 16 of the other ones, small ones. And it's actually a good set for that price. Keep it in your truck or keep it in your shop, right? We originally thought it was a hose. Wasn't a hose, cleaned it off. Tended to be one of these here, up here, but it wasn't there. It was way underneath. We changed one, It wasn't it. And then we traced the old leak clean and kept 2 eyeballs watching it. We thought it was coming from the backside of this panel. It wasn't. It was coming from one right next to the wall. Okay? Pulled it out. This was the damage to it. Okay? Hard to tell, but there it is. And this wasn't caused by us. This thing's so brittle and hard, if I push too hard, it'll snap in half. All right? And we just changed the O-ring, and we used to change it. Disconnected that hose there. Went to Harbor Freight. Same time we had that. It's a 3/8 drive, 6-piece hex set, socket set. So basically, it's Allen's on a socket, okay? And it was pretty cheap too, okay? And then you could do it with this, which made it easy, or you could use a long 3/16 Allen. Okay, this one has a wobble on it. We were originally using it, but hell, there's 2 blind mice trying to do it. But this went on there with extension, ratchet, in, out, whatever. And then here's a pick set. These are cheap. Actually, my brother bought these today as a gift to me because I normally use the big ones. Okay, he says, oh yeah, here's a small set. They're even finer. They'll pull off the little bitty O-rings. And so, hey, he bought it from me like $2 or $3. That's what we do. We buy each other tools. You know, it's like a competition. He bought me that today, and then I gave him a gigantic funnel that I bought at a place called Atwood's. You know, he can't beat me. If he gives me a tool, I'm giving him something else too. That's the kind of love we have for each other. Anyway, so that was a simple fix, okay? But there was a problem. Today I was going to fix this leak. I also ordered some parts for an Bandit 2550, okay? They're actual, this is a 4-wheel drive machine. It has a bolt that comes through here. It's actually a big, like a cylinder rod, okay? It's got this plate at the end, and a bolt goes through, holds it in there, and then it swings back forth. That's my air compressor, high on with me. The back, see, has a screwed hole. There's a plate that goes on the back. Keeps this locked in. Goes in there. See? And then it pivots left and right. Well, one of my bolts came out that holds the back plate. And I lost it in a pile of who knows where. I don't know. I noticed it later on after I had it on a trailer. After it did, I don't know how many stumps. So, you know, I was screwed. It ain't like go find it right there. So, I called Bandit, gave him the part numbers, ordered everything, and inside here, it also uses steel bushings. Well, Bandit is upgraded and uses those polyurethane bushings. So they sent me polyurethane bushings. They sent me the main rod that goes through. And I asked for the bolts too. I didn't really need them, but I wanted them. And they forgot the back plate. So was I pissed today when I took it out of the box? Yes, I was pissed. Because now I can't do that repair today, which I would have liked to have done and finished. So once again, I'll call Bandit on Monday morning, talk to the same parts guy and say, you know, I gave you a list of parts, told you what I wanted, and oops, you forgot. Okay? Because I don't have a dealer here, so mine has to come from the factory. And the closest dealer to me is in Wichita, Kansas, which is God knows how far away from me. 3, 4, whatever hours away. And I'm not going there to get a plate, which he isn't going to have, and he'll have to ship it to me, and it'll be double priced. Anyway, enough of my bitching on this Sunday, and I'm sorry about that. I want to tell you all thank you, and I'm blessed to have all of you. Now, like the last video ended, I gave away a sticker, and this here is come out here. These are those stickers for that saying I got. Remember, if you're not learning something new every day, you must be dead. That little character there, my son drew it. The name on that shirt says Lucas. That's my son's middle name, and the name of my uncle, who's passed away, who's a master mechanic. And I made these in honor of him. All right, and his name was Lucas Torres Jonot. Actually, Jonot in French. And so, the question of the day and the rules are, and this is open to anybody, anywhere in the world, Australia to Timbuktu, Puerto Rico, Hawaii, good old USA, Canada, I don't care where you are, because that could go into an envelope and I could mail it to you. All right, so it's a movie question, and it should be, I don't know, 2 or 3 part question. All right. In this movie, it's called Vanishing Point. This is the original movie, made in 1971, not the remake. This is the original Vanishing Point, 1971. What year and model was the car. And then the name of the main character in the movie. That's question 2. And question number 3. What state to what state was the car chase made from? In other words, it started in one state and it ended in another state. So it'll tell you from this state all the way through to this state. Okay? And that's the question. 3 questions. All right? And I'll write them down and put them in a card in the video and you'll see it so you have it down. The rules are, listen, I want 2 people to answer the questions. The first 2. The first guy wins. Second guy's runner-up. Because the last contest I had on another thing, on one of them, someone never sent me their email address. I mean, their address to mail them the prize. So, and I didn't have a second winner, so I couldn't send it to them. So this way, I always have a backup. So if you see it already answered, the first guy, and it's got to be answered in the comments, you've got to be a subscriber, like this video, and it's got to be in the comment of this video. Put it in, and even if you see someone else do it, if you're the second guy, you're runner-up. So if the first guy doesn't send me his address to mail to, by God, you're the winner chicken dinner. Anyway, God bless you all. Thanks so much for watching the videos.